What a beautiful day for a car wash, guys. Oh, let me... Okay. Let's get that shake and finish. Smells so good. Reminds me of Pepto-Bismol. Why is there so much?
Because you do your own car.
I am doing my own car, but dang. Fucking slut.
There's bugs all over this thing. I kind of really like this car looking like this though. I've never done this, guys.
Oh my god. Wait, didn't do Dollar Tree, bitches!
Yay! Alright, so what are your kind should we get some air fresheners? Okay, what your car? They have Mentoids. What's that? Protects the leather on your car. Do I have leather? Are my seats leather?
Yes.
Okay, grab that.
Same with your dash.
And I bought that goop, but
and it protects it from UV damage.
oh, or we could just get wipes. So this is me and my sister showing you the wipes we got from Dollar Tree, not knowing that our mics are not on. So we got two different wipes. One is a multi-surface one, and the other one is an auto one. And then we got this to get all the dust off before we use the wipes, and we're just messing around as usual. It smells really good and they're staying wet and moist. I definitely recommend these wipes from Dollar Tree. They are perfect. My car looks great.